Hi, my name is Shah, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to order our paper swatch deck, our sign and banner swatch deck. So first, step 1, we will see how to order them, and step 2, how to use it. Step 1, we're going to order our sample kit. Go to PrintPapa.com, and on the left hand side menu you go down to sample kit, and you will see there are 2 different sample kits you can order. These are for the paper swatch deck. All the different papers which we use in our printed products like business cards, bookmarks, brochures, etc. Sign and banner swatch deck. These are for our sign and banner sections, for backlets, for vinyl banners, indoor banners. All you have to do is click on view details. Before you add to cart, you can enter a comment here, like for example, I'm doing a specific project for a postcard and I need some samples related to that. You can add it right here and add to cart. Alright, so now you have received your paper swatch decks and sign and banner swatch decks. Now we'll see how to use it. We are going to order standard business cards, and we want to see all the different paper options which are right here under paper selection, and we want to see which option should I use. So click on that small question mark, cardstock 14-point gloss. Right here you can see it says touch and feel page 13 and 14 with UV in paper swatch deck. So let's go back to the paper swatch deck. Page 13 is right here, and there you go. So that's how the paper feels. You can feel it, and that's with the UV. Especially for business cards, we have 2 different options here. Gives you an idea how the paper will look like. The same procedure applies for sign and banner swatch deck. So that pretty much completes this small video on how to use our paper swatch deck and our sign and banner swatch deck.